Solve the simultaneous equations y equals x square and y equals x plus 2 using the substitution method. So here the two equations, the first one is y equals x square, second equation is y equals x plus 2. So here we need to solve by substitution method. So from here the first is y equals x square. So in second equation, in place of y, I'll substitute x square. So x square equals x plus 2. So if we'll write in a standard form, x square, I'll transpose this x towards LHS. So minus x, and again 2 also if I'll transpose, I'll get minus 2 equals 0. Now I'll factorize. So here coefficient of x square is 1. 1 into 2, 2. So 2 into 1 are the factors. So x square. I need minus 1. So minus 2x plus 1x minus 2 equals 0. Now in the first two terms, if we'll take x common, x into x minus 2 plus 1 into x minus 2 equals 0. Now again if I'll take x minus 2 common, x minus 2 into x plus 1 equals 0. Now x minus 2 equals 0, x plus 1 equals 0. So now here x minus 2 equals 0. So x equals 2, x plus 1 equals 0. So x equals minus 1. So we got two values for x. Now I'll take the second equation. So I'll substitute in that x values. So y equals x plus 2. If x is 2, so if we'll substitute, see if x is 2, 2 plus 2, so y value is 4. So if x is 2, y is 4. Now if x is minus 1, then y value is x plus 2. So y equals minus 1 plus 2. Minus 1 plus 2 is 1. So if x is minus 1, then y is 1. This is the solution.